Our movie is about Temperate Woodlands by Anai, Stephanie, Leslie, Natalie, Joanna, and Ariana.
We chose the Great Western Woodlands located in the southwestern Australia. It is the largest and healthiest temperate woodland in the world.
The climate here is warm, wet winters under prevailing westerly winds and calm, hot summers. The hot summers could cause dehydration.
Our survival items were a pan, tent, first aid kit, and a lighter. A pan is used to scare away animals or to heat up the food. A tent is used as shelter. A first aid kit is to cure cuts and bruises. A lighter is to start a fire.
As a renewable energy source, we will be using the sun to cook food.
Native plants you can eat are bloodroot, yucca flowers, watery tubers, and wattle seeds. These plants can be found in the temperate woodland and are safe to consume. Some native animals you can find in the temperate woodlands are deer, rabbits, quail, squirrels, and emus.
Another edible organism you can find are morel mushrooms.
The producers of our food web are plants, fungi, and grass. Primary consumers are worms, fish, shrimp, and deer. Secondary consumers are wolves, alligators, and humans. The wolf eats the bird, and the bird eats the worm and the fish. The worms eat the fungi. The fish eats the shrimp, and the shrimp eats the plants. As you can see in the food web, humans, wolves, and alligators are secondary consumers, which means they get the least amount of energy.
Medicinal organisms are yucca plants. They help in steroidal saponins used for inflammation, pain relieving for arthritis, joint pain, good blood purifier, cleans liver and kidneys. Blood roots help with skin conditions, blood purifiers, and treatment for ulcers. Thyme help with diarrhea, stomach ache, sore throat, cough, bronchitis, and arthritis. Possible problem we could encounter is the soil in our biome containing carbon, meaning it is carbon-based soil. This poses a threat to us because it causes wildfires when we attempt to make a fire on the floor. The solution to our problem would be to build a foundation on the soil, for example, a circle of rocks on the floor. This would stop the fire to come into contact with the soil, which wouldn't spark a wildfire.
Preventing destroying the environment. Some problems that we may encounter would be wildfires, littering, and the extinction of a species. Preventing wildfires is easy. Just by doing the foundation of rocks beneath this actual fire can prevent it. Picking up after ourselves is also a major concern. For if trash is being littered, it may get to the point where it causes pollution. Being stranded for a month, we have to be careful on the animals that we consume. We have to eat rarely, for we don't want them to run out of and affect the food web.
Bunky here, giving you the latest news on the new hit TV show called Survival of the Fittest. Now passing it out to Alexa. Alexa here. Wait, are we rolling? Bringing you to the latest of the Survival of the Fittest. Here we have one of the contestants, Dora Garcia. Here we can see our contestant Dora using her resources to construct a sturdy shelter. Over there you can see our second contestant, Juana. She appears to be trying to make a tent. Salt water, it's over here. I already have some.
Water evaporating.
In order to defend yourself from a wolf, you will need to stand tall and shout at the wolf, make loud noise, bang pots and pans together, play loud music, discharge a firearm, and if those don't work, pick up a heavy object and throw it at the wolf. Now you will see an example of how to do it and an example of how not to do it.
Back to Dora. Wait, is that a wolf?
Oh no,
For a broken leg, you will need to stop any bleeding, apply pressure with sterile. You will also need to bandage and immobilize the injured area, and also use ice packs to limit swelling and treat for shock. Snakes in temperate woodlands are mildly venomous, which means it is not enough to kill a human. So you have to make sure not to touch it, remove all jewelry from that limb, and make sure to apply pressure with a bandage.
Oh, what happened? I got bit by the snake. Oh, don't touch it.
In the next video you will watch how the two contestants work together to gather seeds and plant them in order to have a stable food supply.
Look, I found seeds. Oh, I know what to do. Please come back here. How's that tent?
Great.
I don't.
Wait, how am I supposed to close it so that door is showing?
You want one last
No, it doesn't work.
Oh well. Come on. Yeah. Aria.
It was Natalie.
I quit. I'm done.
I quit. Okay,
It's
ready?
right
Okay,
there.